What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sherrod254, man, and you back for another one. In this video, we are going to be wrapping up the final details on the install of the 6.0 and the Cutlass. We're going to run down the final details, installation, fueling, and the fuel setup right after this.
I be looking good, I be gripping brain, nigga, I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven, I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sherrod254. You tune in to another one. What's up to the hashtag LSCR Nation? Appreciate all y'all support. Make sure you support those that support your boy. Grant 7 Paint Coatings. Make sure you use that code LSCR10 for 10% off that Oh My Clear. All right, I'm gonna do it. When you see it, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. I know you was waiting on it. Also, make sure you check out Pedal Commander. I have a link if you're interested in ordering one. That'll go towards, supporting the channel and everything like that as well. Shout out to Pedal Commander and shout out to Grant 7 Paint and Coatings for your support. Let's get into this video. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sherrod254, man. You tuned in for another one. I hate when I had that screen open because I focus over there. Instead of looking over here, y'all, I need to focus right down up in there. What's going on, y'all, man? I appreciate y'all tuning in to the channel, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you click that bell so you never miss a video. And if you're feeling like it, share it with a friend. All right, man, so this video, I'm showing you what I got. M12 fuel setup. That's right. Home Depot had a sale. I think I was showing y'all. I think it was like a while back. It's probably about 2, 3, 4, maybe even longer ago. It comes with the stubby 1/2-inch impact wrench, the M12 charger, a CP 2.0 battery, a XC 4.0 battery, and a contractor bag. And for a limited time only, they had a special where they threw in for free, boom, a 6 amp hour battery. That is crazy. Now, I went a little bit crazy on the and this is why I'm having second thoughts about going down the Milwaukee line. As y'all know, I already have an impact driver from Milwaukee, in which I love. That thing is a beast. So that's M18. This is M12. I already had the dual charger. I can't show it to you because it won't come all the way up. But yeah, I already had the dual charger for M12 and M18. But M18 batteries, or the M18 line, is a little bit different. A little bit more costly, and this is why this might be my last Milwaukee purchase. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Get it right for the cameraman. I haven't actually opened anything. So it comes in this nice box, which comes with this nice bag. That is nice. Like, you gotta really, you do gotta give it to Milwaukee. That is a nice bag. Like, that bag's so nice, make you just want to sit it up on the wall or some shit. But let me tear into the bag. Comes with a nice little handle. You know what I'm saying? Be like, oh, going to the junkyard. Alright, so we open it up. Thanks for stepping up to the best tool money can buy. I ain't gonna lie to you, I kinda agree with them. Win a 10-piece combo toolkit, 1 winner per month drawn from each month's registered participants. Win M12 fuel t-shirt, 850 winners per month drawn from each month's participant. Register at Milwaukee fuel, and then enter the code in the box below. Oh, okay, well, maybe I might not buy my next Milwaukee tool, maybe I'll win it. So now I have additional charger, which is good because this charger here has a spot for one M12 battery. This one has two, so now I can charge two of my M12 batteries at once. Although I only have one tool, but I do have 3 batteries. So this is a stubby itself, straight, fresh out the plastic. This thing is so, I don't know what the word you would use for it. So compact. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like to kind of give you a, do you know of an impact that can just like fit in the palm of your hand? But yeah, feel brushless, as you can see there. And like I said, it did come with 2 batteries. Got the CP, I guess it was for like the regular CP 2.0, and then you also have the XC. Don't ask me what this shit stands for, cause I don't know. Y'all go Google it or something, man. And then you got your XC 4.0 right there, like that. And then, of course, you know, you have your XC 6.0. Apparently, the bigger amp hour, the better that the tool can perform. As long as that thing worked to me, I mean, I do a lot of, you know, just around the house stuff. I don't use it like professionally. So honestly, Milwaukee is probably overkill for me. And that could be why I'm kind of swaying more towards Ryobi, to be honest with you. But yeah, you see that there, that's very, very nice. Who doesn't want big batteries? So, I mean, now that I have everything, I do plan on getting a ratchet from Milwaukee. However, Ryobi is on the brink of about to release one themselves. But I mean, to have all 3 of these M12 batteries and only have one tool is just kind of ridiculous. However, right now, the next tool that I'm looking to purchase personally is not even the next tool that I'm looking to purchase is not even an M12. It is for the M18 platform. I only have 1 battery for the M18 platform, and it is the, I thought I hung it on the wall, but it is what it is. I'm pretty sure it's like an M18, but like it's only like a 2 amp hour battery. So the larger M18 batteries are pretty pricey. Right now with the deals that they have going on, it's really nothing that I'm interested in buying a battery for. Or the only Milwaukee tool that I'm really that I actively need would be the saw. Don't necessarily need, but I'm open to buying it in Milwaukee. However, I already have a lot of Ryobi batteries. Well, actually 3 to be exact, but it's more than I have. More than I have for the Milwaukee 18 volt line. I did like the idea of having another battery in Milwaukee that is M18. That way, if one is charging, then I could be using another one, and it being of a higher capacity. The saw by itself is like $120, and then if you want to buy a decent size battery, it's gonna be like another $100 and something, which is crazy. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna go with that, I may swerve to the left and get the I may just swerve to the left and get the Ryobi ratchet that's coming out. Even though I was really planning on getting it for the M12 system here. I mean, well, really no reason not to get the ratchet. But as far as diving deeper into the M18 tool line, I really don't think that there's I don't think it's a necessity for it, to be honest. The only thing I want right now is a saw. I would like to have a Milwaukee saw. However, like I said, I would be looking at probably double the price that I would be paying if I just went and bought a saw from Ryobi and then just use one of the batteries. And you know, Ryobi has like Ryobi days, and you buy like a 2 battery pack. You get like 2 batteries for like $100, and then they throw in a free tool or something crazy like that. The brushless saw from Ryobi is about $130 or $150, somewhere in that price range. I already had the batteries, so that would be all I would be out of. Also, they have a non-brushless saw, which is like $80. So technically, I mean, I could be into the Ryobi saw, you know what I'm saying, a whole lot cheaper than I would for whatever. So I think right now this is kind of like a turning point where I decide which side of the fence I go down. Is it Milwaukee or is it Ryobi? A lot of people gonna be like, oh, Milwaukee, and not even knowing that they're made by the same fucking company. And that's the funny part. But it's definitely levels to this shit, and Ryobi and Milwaukee are on two different levels. So, and it's also 2 different price points. So, it's a decision. It's a decision that has to be made. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I had to get a stubby though. I need to be charged up. And in that, like in the other video when I showed y'all to compare it, well, not to really compare it to the Power Torque, but I mean, you can see this is that brushless impact that I just bought from Power Torque. And the only reason I got this one because I mean it was at the job, so this is all the way charged up, and you know it's got the battery. Like I'm good to go. So I really don't need another impact. A wrench, yes, but as you can see, y'all remember how I compared the size of the Power Torque to the Ryobi, and it was smaller. Well, now here you're getting the even smaller. So now I pretty much have 3 impact sizes, all 1/2 inch, but you know, made for different situations and scenarios and stuff. So y'all will just have to stay tuned, man, and see where I go on this saw. For me, it all kind of boils down to money. I'm doing things within my budget, and that's fine. So I mean, I can. It's no big deal to wait. I can stall them out. You know what I'm saying? I can see what deals are finna come around the corner and go from there. So this deal, this right here though, I think was an excellent deal, especially like 'cause I think it was like 2 something. I mean, the fact that it was this, and then these 2 batteries, and then they threw in this battery. This battery by itself is at a price point of $100. So, I mean, I don't feel that this was a good deal. This was a good deal. So, time will tell where we'll go with the lineup, but I'm guessing it's pretty much gonna be bouncing. It'll pretty much just be bouncing between Ryobi and Milwaukee. Ryobi, Milwaukee. Ryobi, Milwaukee. You let me know down in the comment section below which tool line do you think is best for you. Do you need the durability of the Milwaukee, or can you be complacent, or not complacent? Do you need the reliability of the Milwaukee, or do you need the price point of the Ryobi? Let me know down in the comment section below. It's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.